Don't download an investing app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the investing app, hold on for a moment. While it's branded as a top tool for market news and investing insights, the surprising truth is that it's not as comprehensive or actionable as many users expect. The investing app delivers real-time market news, stock quotes, and financial headlines. On the surface, it seems like a perfect companion for active investors. But most people get this wrong. Access to news alone doesn't make you a better investor. Without actionable tools like portfolio analytics, trade execution, or advanced research, the app mostly informs you, it does guide your investing decisions. Another thing to consider is reliability. While an is a reputable source, the app sometimes lags on data updates or alerts, especially during high volatility periods. For investors who need split-second market information, this delay could affect decision-making. The app also includes watch lists and basic stock tracking, but lacks advanced charting or technical analysis features that traders often rely on. You can't execute trades directly through the app, so you'll still need a brokerage account for actual investing. On the positive side, the investing app excels at delivering curated news, expert commentary, and market summaries in one place. It's useful for staying informed on global financial trends and tracking key indices, which can support long-term investment planning. In conclusion, don't download the investing app expecting a full-service investing platform. It's best suited for staying updated on market news and understanding broad trends. If you're looking for in-depth portfolio management or trading capabilities, you'll need to pair it with a dedicated brokerage or research platform. Being aware of its strengths and limitations will help you get the most value from the app without overestimating what it can do.